so today our review will be on the Slot Track Racing Super Racing Game track. Um, Here's our track that we decided to pick from the 5 options that the company gives you on the instruction sheet. It comes with 2 cars, 2 controllers. This little mechanism here is for the charging, and then you just hook it up to a regular outlet and you're good to go. On the bottom of each car, you have these little metal sheets or strings. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but this is what helps it light up and everything on the track. In this video, we will show you racing of the cars on the track. I will also have a picture of the 5 options that they give you to design or transform the tracks into different designs. We did incur some hiccups with the cars going around, so I will have a little footage of that as well in the video. But other than that, it's really nice. My son got it for Christmas this year, 2018, so he enjoys it and my husband enjoys it, and it's really pleasing to the eye, and that's really all that matters, that the kids enjoy it and we like it. But like I said, there's little issues, minor issues that the company could fix or possibly explain a little better in the instructions, because the instructions are very, very vague. It's basically the design of each of the tracks, and then it tells you the pieces that you'll need for the tracks, which is all included in the package. And then as you design the track, it just gives you letters as to where everything goes. It's not this piece goes here, this connects here, this should be here. It's not that, so it's basically follow the alphabet to put it together. But I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, and thank you and enjoy.